This is
How long do I have to go without having that?
no good long run. This is Connor Slater. He's 19 from Gorsty Avenue.
Chilli.
He's working for me, Dean Pugh, Director of Complete Food Installations. I think he's just about to become a man. So here we go. Hang on. We've got a bit of a chilli here. Put him hand, Connor.
Oh.
I reckon this chilli's about
Hang on, get a bit of juice on it.
30 mil. 30 mil.
Get a bit of juice on that. Put it on it.
5 mil diameter. Here's Connor, gonna go and turn his arsehole inside out. You absolute mad bastard.
That's kicked in straight away. No question about it. Got it straight away.
If you had to make one phone call now, would it be two?
My mum.
Like,
Tell her I love
what
her.
did you say?
Tell her I love her.
Okay. See how we can go about the drink. Yo, is some where's that yogurt mint gone?
It's there.
Yeah, go on, have a bit of yogurt mint. How bad, Con?
No, Dean.
Go on. Do you reckon, right? Do you reckon you could do the times tables now?
Nah.
3 times table, go on.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 28, 5,
20,
24,
21, 28.
21, 28, 22.
How bad? Mum?
Really, a fucking burner that is.
How bad out of 10?
I think that's like 8.5, 9.
9.5.
That's really bad.
We need some chips.
Right, I need some more of this, please. Please. I need some more. I'm having chilli.
Boss needs a video for Facebook.
I need more, please.
Do you want a vape?
Nah, man. I need to go home.
Boss, this is going to get 1,000 views.
Thank you.
Just drink it out of the tub. Is it cooling down?
Oh my god, that's so good.
Is it cooling down? Huh? Oh, he's not licking me chips. How you feel now? Is he gone?
No?
No.
Dean's still there.
Scale of 1 to 10.
9.
9. It's 8.5 just. Are you giving?